Hello student, here we discuss about reducing action of H2O2. But here a new thing I have written, that encircles coefficient of H2O2, because this is asked in the examination. They will not ask simple equations. They are making it tricky one. Okay, so at that moment what you have to do, you have to write down the complete balance equation, and whatever is written in front of this H2O2, that is the coefficient 3, coefficient 5, coefficient 1, that you have to mention in the MCQ answer. Okay, so H2O2 reduces KMnO4 to MnO2 in basic medium, and H2O2 reduces KMnO4 to MnSO4 in acidic medium. Means the reagent substrate KMnO4 remain the same, but medium has been changed. So we will see here first. In twice of KMnO4 plus thrice of H2O2. In basic medium, it will give MnO2, and oxygen plus twice of H2O plus KOH is obtained. What does it mean? Here MnO4 reduces from plus 7 oxidation state to plus 4 oxidation state. Reduction occur, and H2O2 itself, it will be oxidized. So if I have written 3 H2O2, so we will write down 3 O2. Okay, 5 H2O2, so we will write down 5 O2. Clear to you? So balancing will be much easier for you. So in acidic medium, twice of KMnO4 plus thrice of H2SO4, because acidic medium it is, and in presence of this acidic medium, 5 moles of H2O2 will combine with 2 mole of KMnO4, 3 mole of H2SO4 present in it. KMnO4 reduces to MnSO4. It is oxidation state is here plus 2. Here plus 7 to plus 2. Right, and 5 O2 plus 8 H2 is obtained. Clear? And we can 5 times 2 10, and 3 times 2 6 16. So 8 times 2 16 hydrogen. Okay, here I have not mentioned K. This is K2SO4. K2SO4. Not K2SO4, right? I am writing here. K2SO4 is obtained. Cancel out. Now MnO2 plus H2SO4 react with H2O2. 1 mole of H2O2 is there. So again here we will see that it is plus 4 oxidation state. I have written 4 plus 4 oxide, and it will convert it into plus 2 manganese sulfate plus oxygen. Everywhere oxygen will be released when reducing action of H2O2 is taking place. This remember you. Cl2 plus H2O2. Here this is remove this chlorine. Convert chlorine into chloride, Cl negative, 0 to -1 oxidation state, and oxygen is obtained. So H2O2 reduces chlorine to chloride, and 0 to -1 oxidation state. That is why it is acting as antichlor. K3 Fe6 reduced to K4 Fe6 and basic medium. Ag2O reduced to silver.